Alright, let's talk about clubs. So since I was a club promoter, this is my main expertise. I won't be discussing every single club, so I'll just go over the main ones on the strip. Alright, this is Hakkasan, one of the clubs that I work for. By square feet, this is the largest club in Vegas. The hottest DJs play here such as Chainsmokers, Steve Aoki, and Tiesto. This is a great club and also has a hip hop room that opens up in the summer. It's personally not my favorite club since in my opinion it's very dark, very loud, and there's no outside area, but it's one that I don't mind going to. Alright, this is Omnia Nightclub, located at Caesar's Palace. This is the main club that I promoted for. It has 3 rooms, the electronic room, pictured here. It also has a hip-hop room and a rooftop that they call the Terrace. That's actually my favorite part of this entire club. The main headliners here are Martin Garrix and Calvin Harris. I highly recommend you go here at least once, simply to see either the chandelier right here or the terrace where you can overlook the entire city. It's a gorgeous view. Alright, this is Jewel. It's a new club located at the Aria. You can't really tell what's going on here, but it looks similar to Omnia. It has a chandelier up top. It moves the same way that Omnia does. It's also very elegant. Steve Aoki and Lil Jon play here the most. Alright, this is XS Nightclub located at the Wynn. In the summer, this is hands down my favorite club in Vegas. Reason being is because they have what's called Night Swim, which, okay, so pictured here is the indoor area. In the back with that little gazebo in the center is a massive outdoor pool area. They open that up in the summer and the environment is always an amazing time. In the spring and summer, definitely check this club out. Fall and winter, it's still a great club because it's not as loud as Omni and Hakkasan, which is something that I personally care about. Headliners here are Zedd, Diplo, Marshmello, and David Guetta. Alright, this is Marquee, located at the Cosmopolitan. It's also one of my favorite clubs. There's 4 rooms here, electronic in the main room, pictured here. Downstairs is the hip hop room. Upstairs is what they call the library, which has decorations, a fireplace, and a pool table. It's really cool. The 4th room is on the same level as the electronic room, pictured here, but directly in front of the DJ booth. You go past the dance floor and it leads you outside, where you also have a view of the city, and you're basically hanging out on a rooftop. Big headliners here are Cash Cash, Dash Berlin, and Benny Benassi. Alright, this is Dre's nightclub located at the Cromwell. So every club before this has all been electronic. Dre's is the biggest club for hip-hop music in Vegas. Chris Brown, Tyga, G-Eazy, and Kid Cudi headline here often. This club has very high ceilings, so it makes it feel very spacious. And in the summer, there's an outdoor area that overlooks the entire city from the Cromwell. Definitely one of the best clubs to check out if you enjoy hip-hop. And the last one I'm going to introduce you to is the one called Surrender, located at the Encore. This is also a great club with an outdoor area similar to XS. It's actually right next door to XS. DJ Snake, RL Grime, Marshmello, and Dillon Francis headline here often. In the summer, the area pictured in the back with the palm trees is Encore Beach Club, which is hands down the best day club in Vegas, with a close second being Wet Republic at the MGM. So yeah, these are the most popular clubs in Vegas. There are a few others on the strip, but they're smaller, and I personally don't go to them unless the clubs listed here are closed. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.